Welcome SATS busters to question 15, and this one is all about a big box of melons. Now I can't recommend enough here with a question like this, draw on the picture. It really does help organise your thinking about what you need to do next. So a box contains trays of melons. There are 15 melons in a tray. So let's write a nice 15 on that tray. There are 3 trays in a box. So this tray must be 15. And this tray must be 15. A supermarket sells 40 boxes of melons. Well, what we've just got here is just one box, but we need 40 of these. So I'm going to write a big times 40. Okay? Now we need to figure out how many melons does the supermarket sell. Now the obvious thing to do first is figure out how many melons are in one box, and then just times that by 40. So in one box, we've got 15 plus 15 plus 15. Now, most of you can probably do that in your head. It's going to be 45 melons, but let's just double check. 15, 15, 15. 5, 5 and 5 is 15. Put the 5 in, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus the 1 we just carried is 4. So in one box, there is 45 melons. You could have also done 15 times 3. 15 times 3 would also get you 45 melons. But we've got, that's just one box. We need 40 of these. So we need 45 times 40. Now the easiest way to do 45 times 40 is basically just to do 45 times 4 and make your answer 10 times bigger. 4 times 5 is 20. Put the 0 in, carry the 2. And 4 fours is 16, plus the 2 is 18. So if 4 lots of 45 is 180, so 4 boxes would be 180 melons. 40 boxes is going to be 10 times bigger than 180, so that's going to be 1,800. So your final answer is going to be 1,800 melons.